Okay lang yan. Tungkol saan ang liwanag sa dilim, Alexa?
Well, hindi ko naman mention dito kanina, but the story revolves around the character of Alice, who is an orphan child. And sa journey niya, parang naging life mission niya, yung matutunan niya kung ano yung past niya, kung ano yung buhay niya dati. And with all of that happening, dun niya mamimit yung character. And yung character niya.
Which is, anong gagampanan mo?
I'm just a girl.
Yes.
Shining fan of Amanda. Sa ngayon, ang pwede ko lang pong sabihin ay, I am a girl.
Do you like doing theater?
Well, I do. Of course, there are times na it can be very taxing. It's very different kasi from mainstream theater. But I'm enjoying the process.
And also, are we looking forward to, seeing more music theater this year? Or
Well, it's not something I've thought of yet. But kung saan naman po may trabaho, doon ako pupunta.
And also, are you releasing any songs?
Not right now. I know I mentioned before that I will release an album. But I think I'm gonna put a pause on that. And maybe focus on other things like this.
Yeah.
This is your second
Opo.
after walang
Yes, opo.
Uh-huh.
Kaya, nerves are real.
2 years in the making of that song.
Well, after ko po kasi walang aray, nagkaroon po ako ng teleserye, yung Pera-Pera sa Paradiso. And ang dami na rin pong naging offers noon, like for Once on This Island, for other plays there. I was also invited. Hindi po ako nakaabot sa mga audition din nila. Kasi may taping, may shoot. So ito lang po talaga yung sumwak sa schedule and the timing. So, I'm here.
Alex.
I'm excited, Alexa, for this theater. Gano'n ka excited?
Very excited, of course. I'm always excited kasi hindi biro yung pusong binibigay ng bawat isa. Iba rin talaga. The heart, the soul, the blood, sweat, tears, and nabalian pa nga. Everything na binibigay namin. So, of course, we're all so excited for people to see the fruit of our labor and work.
Alexa, I don't know if nababasa mo, pero comment mo lang na marami nang natutuwa at humahanga sa vocals mo. Nag-i-improve na raw talaga yung vocals mo since the day you started.
Thank you so much. Yun naman ang goal ko in life. Ay, gumaling, humusay ng humusay, huwag maging pakampante. Always have to reinvent yourself, make sure you're better than your last words. Thank you so much.
So without spoiling, how challenging is the lead for you?
If I'm comparing it lang to the first, because I haven't really done a lot of ibang klaseng din kasi ibang klaseng hirap din siya eh. Actually, nung una, when I accepted the role, I thought it would be a lot easier than playing Julian. But now that I'm actually doing it, I'm rehearsing, mahirap pala siya. So it's quite challenging for me. Also, kasi madami kailangan bantayan. Especially with the songs of Sir Rico Blas. I don't take it lightly talaga. It's something na I value na binigyan ako ng platform na makanta yung mga hits ng OPM legend natin si Sir Rico Blanco. So of course, I wanna make it work. I wanna be great.
Alexa, kamusta na sinasabi Alexa Ilaca Theater?
I'm very touched kasi sa totoo lang po, there are days na I don't feel like I belong here. Like, I feel like, kasi sobrang galing ng mga kasama ko. It's very humbling. Tama si John. It's very humbling to be here. Sharing the stage with them, rehearsing with them, seeing how they give their all agad-agad. So there are days na syempre, tao lang, self-doubt. So there are times na I feel like, oh, baka I'm not cut out for this. Maybe not enough for this. But I'm grateful kasi they always tell me I am.
What was the most challenging one for this role?
Okay na.
Thank you po.
Alexa.
For me po, maybe it's marrying the acting and the singing of dramatic scenes. Because nung Walang Aray po, hindi ko pa nasubukang kumanta habang umiiyak. So dito po kasi may mga eksena na parang kanina po, na hindi ko naman in-expect na maiiyak ako dun sa Kisap Mata. Kasi first try ko lang. Actually, it was my first time to sing it a while ago. So sabi ko, oh no, buti na lang, di ako umiyak. Pero ayun, I'm expecting those kinds of challenges na how to marry the singing, the emotions with the movement, and now, di mawala sa tono and all of that, pero mabigay pa din yung emotion na kailangan, yung bigat.
Alexa, how are you gonna spend your Valentine's this year?
I'm here, rehearsing. Feb 14 po exactly, I'll be here in Miro Studio, mag-rehearse. But, of course, siguro sa weekend, before before or after work, kasi may racket din po ako. Malalabas din po kami. We're gonna have, I think, lunch. Me and
Wow.
sino pa ba?
Thanks, Alexa.
Thank you so much po.
Congrats, Alexa. Photo lang.
Covered na ba?
Hindi, ang ganda pa rin. Ay, ganyan muna.
Thank you so much.
Dito, Alexa. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Here naman po.
Alexa, here lang. 1, 2. Thank you.
Pag alam na nandito ako, lagi siya mag-offer na padalan kita ng ganito, to cheer you up, kailangan mo ng energy, padalan kita ng ganyan, chocolate, whatever drink, whatever ganyan. Or mag-text yung simpleng ano lang po, how are you? Ang ganun.
Ito, one last question. Since you're from PBB din, kasama mo si Casey, and until now, successful yung naging love team nyo, kahit nagkakaroon kayo ng separate projects. And right now kasi, kakatapos mo ng PBB Gen 11, and then dami din mga love team like JM Fiang and their fans. So, ano yung ma-advise mo sa JM Fiang since nagsisimula sila ngayon, and so, also sa mga supporters? Like, kasi kayo naging successful kayo.
Hindi ko sila kasi masyadong nakakasama. So, hindi ko nakikita kung anong advice talaga yung need nila. Pero
Like, in
siguro,
general
na
na
lang, magkaroon sila ng tamang balance while regarding listening to the opinions of other people. I think it's good to establish boundaries then as an artist, as a love team, and ayun, ano pa ba? To not focus on the noise masyado, especially to the point that will affect their work and yung pagsasama nila. So I think yun yung pinaka-importante because I feel like that's something KD and I did. Kaya pakiramdam namin kahit anong mangyari, solid kami.
And any projects na abangan namin kayo aside from Liwanag sa Dilim, future projects na pwede,
Sorry.
future projects na abangan namin.
After Liwanag sa Dilim, sa totoo lang, nandito lahat ng oras ko eh. But hopefully, ay meron din pala kami film na KD.
Yeah, sa Sine Panalo.
Yeah, for Pure Gold Sine Panalo Film Festival, Love. So yeah, that one. March din ata siya halos.
Ayan,
Yeah,
KD,
March is a busy month.
Alexa Mat.
Yeah.
So what does it feel? May theater ka, tapos may movie.
I'm so thankful. I want more. I will accept all the work in the world. Basta kaya ng katawang lupa ko.
So yeah, invite everyone na lang to watch. Liwanag sa Dilim and also Sine Panalo, Love.
Hi everyone, I'm Alexa Ilacad, inviting you all to catch 9 Works Theatricals Liwanag sa Dilim in theaters March 7. So I hope to